Hi everyone, so I've got a different type of video today and we're gonna do a yarn haul from Wool Warehouse. I've never used them before, but I have seen good reviews and hopefully they're alright. I have opened the package as you saw because I'm so excited. Oh, look how colourful this is. And also I love how it comes in a reusable bag because I can just use this as a project bag, can't I? But yeah, this is a quick overview of all the things we've got here. I believe it's 16 balls of wool, but we can double check that we've got all of it. Total was £30 for all of this, for this whole bag, and 3 of the balls were on sale. But yeah, let's just get into it. So let's go from the top. So the first one we have is this Yarnsmith's Daydream Aran in the colour 1C004. And this is like a really pretty colour, that's what it is. It's really soft. I was hoping it wouldn't be too scratchy. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with this yet. But it's 100 grams, 70% acrylic, 30% cotton. And it says a 5mm hook and yarn knitting needles, so this is really pretty. I like this. And then I also got these two are the same colour and the same brand as that one. This one is the colour 1C001 and these two are the same colour, same dye lot, and I'm guessing it's the 5mm hook as well. Yeah, so these 3 balls were on sale. They were £2.40 each, which I think is pretty good. I'm not sure why I got 2 of this colour. I maybe should have got 3, but they were on sale and I was like, why not? I could make a scarf out of this, that would look pretty cute. Or maybe a knit scarf, I'm not sure. But yeah, so we've got those 3. And then we've got some classic colours here. So we've got bonus DK, extra value, so we've got white, and I think this is black. Yep, white and black. Classics. I'm almost out of black. I literally have a tiny little bit left. Cream. And this is by Stylecraft now. So I really like these brands. These are probably my favourite brands. Bonus DK and Special. And that is my favourite brands for acrylic. Just because they're affordable and just they are easy to get and stuff. So next we've got a couple of blues. So we've got Bonus DK in the shade Denim. And that's this really nice dark blue. I've realised that I haven't got many blues left. And then we've also got this Stylecraft Special double knit, and this is the colour Periwinkle. This is a really nice blue. It's a bit lighter than this one, and it's more purple as well. But yeah. And then we've got a green, and this is in the shade Grass. Colour. And this is Bonus DK as well. I really like this brand. It's so soft. And if you're in the UK, I definitely highly recommend it. And then the last things we've got are pinks. Now, I haven't really got many pinks on my shelf. That's why I thought I might as well get some. So this first one is bright pink. It's very bright. It looks more red on camera, but it is bright pink. That is so pretty. And then we've got blush. These are all Stylecraft, by the way. So we've got blush, which is this one. That's really pretty. And then we've also got this one, which is in the shade Fondant. These look really pretty together. And then we've got 2 more. So we've got this one, which is Pale Rose. So it's a bit darker than this one. And then last but not least, we've got Clematis. It's that one. I can't say it, is it? Clematis. think that's what it's called. But it is really, these are really pretty. I can't believe I haven't got any pinks in my stash. So I thought I should get some more. These are most of them. And then we've got the bright pink, obviously. But these look really pretty together. And I as I said, I really like how this came in a organza bag. That is so handy. I'm going to use this for project bags, I think. Yeah, it's really lovely. And it was fast delivery as well. I ordered it, I want to say a couple of days ago. It was dispatched yesterday, I think. And it literally just came today. I was too excited to sort it out. But yeah, I'm really glad that I've got some new pinks in my stash. Got a nice green as well. And these to try. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with these. Maybe a scarf, or I'm not sure. Because, yeah, I've got 2 of these and then 1 of this colour. And the total was, what was it? £30 and 61 pence. And I'm guessing that all of the colours are here, that they haven't missed anything. I will have to double check though. So I've just double checked and yep, they're all there, all the colours are there, so that's brilliant. Don't have to email them or anything, so that's good. But yeah, let's just quickly put these on my shelf and yeah. Right, so here we have all of my DK special Stylecraft and bonus DK, and apart from this one, which is a different brand, but these are all my DK yarns, which is quite a lot. But I am glad I've got pink now, because these, as you can see, I've got a lot of brown, grey, yellows, quite a few greens. This one is the new one. And then yeah, I didn't have any pink, but now I do. But yeah, I just thought I'd lay it out like so I can get an idea of what colours I have and just make sure that I don't overbuy anymore. I have got 2 other colours that are coming in the post, which is just another red, no, it's another green and another pink, but I think they are different colours to what I have. So, but yeah, all of this is to fit into this shelf because I've got cotton in here, apart from this, which is, I mean, it is still cotton. I need to organise this a bit more though. But yeah, all of this is cotton. This is bamboo, but it's still very soft, so I'm counting it. This is like my special yarns, so like this. I have got chunky wool in here though, which should probably go in the chunky wool, because I have chunky behind here, but it's a bit annoying though, because it's good that I can stack a few at the back and then a few at the front, but then I forget what is at the back. So that's why I've laid it out all on my bed. So I took a photo. And let's put the rest of the DK up here.